Hello, my name is Vortex Warp, and welcome back to another Minecraft Redstone video, and today I present to you a programmable logic gate. So this is a build that I actually made a while ago now, but I forgot about it, and recently stumbled across it in my Redstone testing world, so I've decided to make a video on it today. This is actually an original concept by Crafty Masterman, so I'll leave a link to his channel down in the description. He also does Redstone videos, which you should really definitely check out. And I compacted his design that he made in his video, and this is what I've come up with. So what is the concept behind a programmable logic gate? The concept is that it's a regular Minecraft logic gate, so it takes two inputs, and depending on the states of those inputs, it will either output an output or it won't output an output. So some examples are AND gates, OR gates, NOR gates, XOR gates, OR gates, all the different types of logic gates, and there are plenty of them. The way this works is that you have your two inputs here, and at the moment I've got it so that all of the different states will lead to it being off, like so. So I think that's cycled through all the different states there. But what we can actually do is turn this into a specific type of gate using this tertiary input here. So if we want to make this into an AND gate, for an AND gate, both levers need to be switched on for the output to be on. So if we switch both levers on and trigger this, then the output is on, and in any other state we actually find that the output is not on, but when both of them are on, the output's on. So that's an AND gate, and of course it's very useful to have it controlled by Redstone, because we don't actually need any player input. We can have some logic that determines what gate this is depending on sort of the different states of the inputs. So just as another example, I'm going to turn this into an OR gate. So an OR gate also turns on when both of the outputs are turned on, but it also turns on when just one of the outputs is on as well. So if we adjust the circuit like this, what we can actually do is turn this into an OR gate, like so. So as you can see, when they're both on, or when one of them is on, the circuit is actually on, but when none of them are on, the circuit is off. So that's an OR gate. And this can be made to turn into all different types of gates. Now, of course, if you just wanted to have this as a regular gate, you would just build the gate, because they are smaller than this generally. But this is a gate that can be adjusted with Redstone, and you can have a bunch of these modules tied together to act as kind of like pathways that can be controlled by Redstone as to whether they're on or off, depending on different things. And it's really useful. You should check out Crafty Masterman's original video where he goes through a bunch of different concepts with it. Remember, that one will be in the description. But that's basically my compacted design. It's a lot smaller, so let's go over to this one over here. This is the total design. As you can see, very, very small. So one slice of it looks like this. These observers go all the way through, apart from to the last space, because they're not required. And the way you want to have it is you want to have these cauldrons by default, so that the two on the edges are up, the two in the middle are down, and they're all full. And then what we want you to have is, by default, when both of these levers are up, you want to have these two blocks extended and these two blocks retracted. Apart from that, all of the circuits are identical. And of course, this is the output lamp here, or you can run it out like into this block here, so the output lamp's here. You can really do whatever you want. If you have any questions on this build, or you want to make a full tutorial, remember to leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.